Alright guys, welcome back, finally. This is a challenge we've been waiting for all week. I've been telling a lot of my subscribers that this is what we've been gearing up for. Shout out to my boy Danny Tran from Salvage Souls who hooked me up. Today we're doing the Volcano Chicken Noodle Challenge. This is the black pack, which is spicy. We also got the 2 times as spicy. That's going to be for another video, so stay tuned for that. So, without further ado,
we have Destiny.
We have Destiny.
Myself.
Dulce, your boy LazyAzzAlex, Samantha, and Jasmine.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel if I
We only got one rule. One rule is no drinking anything until I say we can do so. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, let's mix.
So,
we mix first.
Right now we're mixing it.
Oh my god, I have a lot. And y'all said I didn't.
Look at mine. I don't know what you're talking about. Look at
Oh my
mine.
god, it smells like death.
It smells good. You said this smells like death.
What do you mean? That's
Look, Destiny, you didn't get nothing. Yes, I did.
Look at mine.
I
How's
have
it?
caldo. It's gonna
Bro, look
burn
at mine.
me.
Mine's is dark.
Look at mine. Mine's is dark.
Mine's dark too.
Mine's is darker than yours.
Mine's just orange.
I got seaweed and sesame seeds all on my food.
Guys,
I'm
mine's
not gonna lie, I'm a
darker.
chicken, so I'm glad mine's not that dark.
Mine's just so dark.
Let me see, Samantha.
Dude, I'm telling you, Samantha got the most.
And there's
some more on the bottom.
I'm not done mixing.
I'm not gonna lick that on my finger yet because this is gonna be an appetite.
Okay,
Hold on, let me get my phone out of the way.
Okay, yeah, get that out. And then
Okay.
Get that out.
Do we
I
start?
don't know what I got
My
myself
nostrils
into.
are burning.
Okay, I'm not gonna get it on my lips because my lips is gonna burn.
Okay.
So let's try this.
On the count of 3. I'm gonna count to 3, and we're gonna get into it. Ready? 1. You gotta sit down because I don't know if it's gonna cut your head off.
Yeah.
2, 3, go.
Oh gosh.
Why are you eating fast?
Oh my god! No!
Your face is red.
It's fine. Come on, Samantha, you can do this. I don't want
Yes,
to get
and all
up.
those
Oh my God.
and salsas you ate, this is it.
My stomach's already burning.
No, I can't.
I'm
Why are you
fine.
eating a lot? No, the point is to finish it off. I'm gonna eat a little bit at
That's
a
what we're
time.
eating it on.
I think I'm the one that's gonna lose. I think I'm sweating.
Oh my god.
Look over there, enjoyed it.
This is good, actually.
It's actually
Is
pretty
it
good.
done?
It's good, but it's hot.
Oh my gosh, Alex, he's sweating right now. That's spicy.
Oh no, I'm not gonna finish it.
The faster you finish, the faster it'll even go away.
No, it won't.
Trust me.
My insides are burning.
Am I red?
No.
Mine.
Yeah, no, whatever. You're almost there.
Alex is. I'm red too.
No!
Alex is done.
I'm done.
I'm gonna be the loser.
I'm gonna be the loser.
I'm
But-
gonna be the loser.
The pain is
I'm
bad.
trying to wait for y'all to go. I'm making it slow as I can.
Oh my god. You love me? You know what to
I got it on my nose. It's gonna burn.
do. Once Dulce goes, I'm gonna drink something. Cause
If you drink, that's it.
This is not extraness. This is actually hot. I'm gonna do it, Alex.
Hey guys,
Alright, see you
normal
guys.
over here.
See you in heaven.
you go.
I'm trying to...
Spicy.
I'm trying to calm down over here.
I know.
Alex is legit
Look, I'm
sweating.
sweating.
I'm not sweating, it's just my insides are burning. And my lips.
Just my tongue is burning.
My tongue's not burning, my
I want to
lips.
go for another one.
Finished. But the pain is there. Oh.
You can drink water.
You can?
Yes! Make sure I see that fresh. Okay, is he gonna get out the way? Can I wait? Is he gonna still stay here?
Yeah.
My lips are burning. I can't
Come
even
on,
take
Jasmine.
it. tastes sweet
Oh
when
my
you
god,
take
the
it
water
in.
looks so good.
So I guess it's the loser's the last one to finish it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I think it's gonna be me because Destiny's right behind you, Ben.
See, that's what happens when you eat good, boy.
Come on, Santa. Give up. Give up. Give up.
Stop! going for this big one.
No, it's not the
I have to. Mom, what if I'm gonna get my pickles out?
Exactly.
You better think about that yourself.
Hey, don't get me wrong, the noodles are really good.
It tastes sweet whenever you taste it, but and then it gets really spicy.
No, it does.
Come on, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Tongue.
Who's the man now?
I'm gonna have to like. I already have one. Like you
I mean,
go,
she's
you
not
go
a
in the
man,
street
so-
and then you floss. That's mine.
No.
My teeth feel like they're breaking right now.
Hey, you
Can
know what's
move
good?
your water?
This feels good. I don't feel it right here.
Can you like
It's full of
not
air.
show me your water? Okay, I'm done.
Should I? Should I? Should I?
Uh-oh. Don't forget your
I got this. I got this. I got this.
Drink that soup, girl. I'm sweating.
I can't feel my tongue.
Evie, this is not the time to talk about milk right now.
You think this is bad? Imagine.
No.
I'm
No.
going.
You think this is bad? Imagine
We're doing this.
the 2 times as spicy.
She's out.
Go get another water, hurry.
Should I not? Which one should
Miley.
I? I'm going for it.
Miley, can you give me water out of the
No,
freezer?
Hot. I'm going. I'm dead. I finished. No. We're getting water from the freezer. Water. Right there, right? Water.
Yeah, I put it in there.
Which one does Miley? Mommy!
Stop if you can't anymore.
I can.
Oh, that fruit punch works?
I feel it like right here.
I can do it, but it looks
This fruit punch works. Y'all should get fruit punch.
Come on, Jasmine, you could be third.
So we're the losers, so we have to do something?
Both of y'all have to do something.
Okay.
Cut it out. Still waiting for Jasmine, so as you can see, Samantha and Dulce are out.
We're still thinking of something.
Yeah, I'm still coming up with a way to show, I don't know, to embarrass them. Because they gave up so quickly, as you can see. All that,
My stomach's already hurt. I ate a little bit.
all them noodles, they only ate like 2 spoonfuls.
Actually, literally.
Oh, whoop-de-doo.
I ate
So, so anyways, we're just waiting on Jasmine.
She's going for it.
She's going for it. I mean, she's feeling it the worst because she's taking a while to eat it, so she's feeling it. The pain is developing a little bit
Her eyes
more.
are red.
I mean, Destiny finished already, so
You got this. One more scoop, Jaslyn. Jaslyn. Jaslyn.
There you go.
Jaslyn. Jaslyn. She's done.
she's done.
And
She's
you're not
officially
the
done.
loser. Your eyes are red. Oh my god.
So we were waiting. So now we're officially done. Dulce and Samantha.
I'm so glad my friends are not subscribed to this. I know some of your friends, so don't make fun of me.
So
I
they
tried.
lost. Your boy here finished first, of course. So as far as what's gonna happen to the loser, I don't know yet. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Tell your friends to like and subscribe. We will have another video on the way based on what's gonna happen to these guys. So without further ado, thank you.
Yeah.